Bob, it was certainly a beautiful day here today and the weekend. I even got a little bit of sunburn,
yeah,
a little bit, because
out,
I tried to put on as much sunscreen as I could, but apparently it wasn't enough.
No, sometimes it can get right through even the high clouds that moved on through. But we had warm temperatures today, upper 80s in some inland areas. That's nearing summer, and we talked about it earlier. 72 for a temperature right now is pretty warm for this time of year. Get a look at this gorgeous photo right here. Lillian Bosco sending us in from Venice Beach. Send this one home to your friends up north. Tell them this is what it's like down here in Florida. This beautiful looking sunset right there it is. And another one, this one again showing our lovely coast here in Terracea. This is Terracea Bay. Sent in from Susan. You can see some showers off in the distance there. And then this one from the North Jetty, Cindy, some paddle boarders out there. This is around dusk. I always worry about being out in the water around sunset and sunrise due to the possibility of sharks, but nonetheless, the North Jetty getting a nice calm conditions out there on the waters. Well, the Van Wezel webcam also showing a beautiful sunset tonight. At one point, we did have a couple of sun dogs, and then with those high cirrus clouds making for a gorgeous sunset. So here are the weather headlines. A weak cold front is sliding down. For the most part, there's not much to it, just some clouds around and maybe a few isolated showers. And then near record highs. Today's high 88 degrees at Fort Myers at the Southwest Regional Airport. That tied a record high there. And then we're going to see some fog, and that'll be the downside of our fog. A fog forming overnight. We are anticipating some of that fog to be rather thick, especially on in through, it looks like Wednesday morning. While that rain, a few light rain showers around, you can see that kind of pushing off toward the west right now. And it is dissipating. Some showers well to the north of us. That's that frontal boundary, which is now backing off, really, as a result of the strong area of high pressure located to the east of the state. At one point, there was a pretty big storm about 120 miles offshore. That has since moved on and really weakening as you see that rain now starting to drift off to the north. But some pretty good showers out there earlier today. That was a direct result of the sea breeze, which kicked in. And on top of that, just enough moisture to create some showers and storms around. Temperatures in places like Wauchula, Arcadia, even into Lakewood Ranch got up to 85 degrees there today. Arcadia and Wauchula into the upper 80s, and looks like we could see similar conditions again be played out tomorrow. A half an inch of rainfall right there east of I-75 along State Road 64, and then lesser amounts, but still some rain near Mayaca City, 2/10 of an inch. Notice just a few sprinkles to the west of I-75 this evening. Nothing to really write home about as far as any kind of heavy rainfall. That front is for the most part just a line right across us, and it will continue to sag southward throughout the day on Tuesday, bringing with it some additional clouds around. We will see some clouds now and again. Now the futurecast is indicating we will see again a few areas of showers to the north of us, and then 1 or 2 lone showers tomorrow afternoon. That will be due to the heating of the day again into the mid 80s for inland areas. 72 right now, and the humidity at 91%. Winds are calm, and the high today was 82. That's 9 degrees above the average. 72. Our current temperature in Orlando as well as into Sarasota, 73 now into Venice, and the Gulf water temperature has really warmed up to 71. Elsewhere across the U.S., the storm track has shifted out west. There's not much going on here as far as any significant rain goes. Some showers to the north of us, and then we'll see a mixture of sun and clouds over the upcoming days with a chance of an isolated shower or two, but no measurable precipitation really expected along the coastline. Some fog developing overnight, and for boaters beware. East winds will be at 10 knots. Seas will be running 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out there. The extended forecast then, fog, and more fog in the morning hours on in through Thursday. High temperatures remaining some 9 to 12 degrees above average over the next 7 days, and it looks as though we'll see another great weekend ahead. So load up on the sunscreen. Jacqueline?
All right, certainly we'll take that into consideration. Thank you, Bob.